Hi guys, I'm Joona Saarelainen, a BIM-specialist at Finland. Have you ever had this annoying situation where you just lose your mind over Revit?
I have.
Especially when dealing with lighting design. After having thrown several computers out of our office's windows, I thought to myself, Lights was born. Finally all the luminaires I needed in one place. Always up-to-date library with the latest models at my service when I needed them. A full comprehensive LED luminaire library consisting of over 70 families with realistic measures, technical data and photometric web files perfecting my design. Not a bad deal, huh? If you want your design to truly stand out, just go to the Autodesk App Store, type in Lights and press download. It doesn't cost you anything. And I guarantee you, no more flying computers, no more dark and shadowy designs. Just try it out and finally, you can truly give a